took the other as just as fair and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Then the poet decided to check the other road, the second one, which he found similar to the first one. What is written here? Just as fair. This is an example of simile. The poet then found the other road to have better prospect, because he found the other road to be less travelled and grassy one. This shows that the poet is risk-taking and adventurous. Line number 9 and 10. Thou, as for that, the passing there had warned them really about the same. Here the poet says that, but when the poet passed through the road, he found that both the roads are equally travelled. This is an example of antithesis. First, the poet finds the first road to be the more travelled one, but then he says that both the roads to be equally travelled. So the poetic device used here is antithesis. Now come to line number 11 and 12. And both that morning equally lay, in leaves no step had trodden black. The poet here goes in the flashback. When he came in the morning, he found that both the roads were looking same and both the roads were covered with autumn leaves. It was tough for him to identify the real road, as in the morning he was the first person to walk on the roads. But he could not decide the right one, as no step had smashed the leaves on the roads to allow him to go for the right one. The above two lines are an examples of imagery. Poet ये दो लाइन से image पैदा किया है. A person can imagine the scene. That is here. That morning equally lay, leaves no step had trodden black. एक भी पत्ता कुचला हुआ नहीं था, बिल्कुल ब्लैक नहीं हुआ था किसी के चलने पर. फ्रेश था सभी पत्ते, ऑटम लीफ. 13 and 15. 13, 14 and 15. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. The poet here saves the first road for another day. He knows the fact that one way leads to other way and coming back is impossible. Then in the third line, he affirms, saying that he is enough doubtful of returning and walking on the first road. The third line and fifth line is an example of antithesis again, as the lines contradict the statements. Now 16th line, I shall be telling this with a sigh. This line is the example of the poet's success in choosing the right road. He uses the word shy. इस shy word का बहुत मीनिंग होता है. Shy का पॉजिटिव मीनिंग भी होता है कि राहत, रिलैक्स वे में. बिल्कुल आज रिलैक्स है वो अपने डिसीजन से, बिकॉज ही गॉट सक्सेस. जैसा सोचा था वैसा उसको सामने दुनिया मिला. जो डिजायर किया था, विश किया था लाइफ में, वैसा ही वह मंजिल को चुना. एंड शाय हैड अ नेगेटिव मीनिंग ऑल्सो, डिसअपॉइंटमेंट. तो यहां कवि जो है, पोएट जो है, दो कंट्ररी बातें वो कहते हैं, दो रिजल्ट कहते हैं कि आज से बहुत दिनों के बाद वह लोगों से कह पाएगा कि मैंने सही रोड लिया था. एंड दैट मेड ऑल द डिफरेंस. आई एम सक्सेसफुल टुडे, आई एम हैप्पी टुडे, आई बिकम अ ग्रेट पोएट, आई एम पॉपुलर, पीपल नो मी. सो दिस हियर हैज अ डुअल मीनिंग. So therefore makes the poem tricky. And shy here also means disappointment. अगर वो wrong decision लेता तो आज उसे कहना पड़ेगा in fact future. The road which I took, it was in fact not an appropriate road. And he is disappointed. And he is disappointed about the decision. So this line is the example of the poet's failure in choosing the right road also. But poem में positive हुआ है. आज रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट एक महान पोएट है। उसने रोड नॉट टेकन लिया था, जहां लोग जद्दोजहद करते हैं, सोच लेते हैं टू बिकम इंजीनियर, डॉक्टर, IAS ऑफिसर। वेरी फ्यू पीपल imagines and think and takes an aim to become a musician, a singer, a writer, a political leader. So आगे the poet says that 17, 18, 19 lines, somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood and I took the one less traveled by. So here the poet accepts the fact that he is successful in taking the is an example of alliteration. He says that he will announce this very incident where he faced two similar looking roads and chose the road that was less traveled one. And that has made all the difference. The poet here affirms that his choice of the road has brought a big difference in his life. That is in positive. If he had chosen some other road, he would have become a commoner today. बड़ा ही सामान्य लोग रहता। उसने रिस्क लिया। He opted for road not taken, and he is now a great poet. And moreover, he loves his profession, writing of poems and venturing in the world of literature, the world of imagination, the world of expression, the world of emotions. Hope you understood the poem, The Road Not Taken. That's all in this video. See you in the next video on any other poem. If you have any question or suggestion, do write in the comment section. If the video helped you, please like and share so that other students can learn. And do subscribe to get regular updates. Thank you for watching.